Hi everyone, my name is Corey, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Salesforce integration for TracerPlus. What I've done here is I've put together an app on my mobile device for syncing accounts and syncing contacts to Salesforce. And the way this kind of works is we can add these contacts and accounts locally to our device, and then we can sync them using the Connect tool over to the Salesforce account that we have set up over here. So just to start, let's try adding a account here. So what we'll do is we'll just take a look at the list here of all the accounts, and say we have a new account that we need to add to Salesforce. We can do that with our app here by just adding the account to the device. And once we're ready, we'll just submit that account there. So we've now added our account to the device, and then we'll just hit this Sync with Salesforce button. So if we just refresh this page here, we should see that new account that we just added from the device over that connection that we've made using the Connect tool. So now that we have a new account, let's try to do some things with our contacts. So we're just going to go back here, and we're going to go to our new and edit contacts session here on the device. And currently we don't have any contacts on the device. So the first thing we need to do to get this list of contacts from Salesforce is that we would need to first sync with Salesforce. So let's just do that real quick here. So now in our grid on the device, you can see that we have all this information here on the device now. This is the same stuff from the Salesforce table, and if we needed to edit a person's company or something like that, we could do that here. So a good example here is if we look at April Showers, she doesn't have a company assigned to her. So what we could do is we could fix that. If we select her here on our device, you can see that she's got no information here. And so what we can do is we can kind of add this information in. So we'll hit our Update Add Contact button there. That's going to clear out our form. And now if we select her, she's going to have all that information that we just put in there. But keep in mind, we still need to send this back to Salesforce to update the Salesforce table. So if we sync back with Salesforce again, that's what this will do. It'll update her record here with a company, a phone number, and her new email address that we've assigned from the device. So if we just refresh this page here, we can now see that April Showers works for Corico, and this is her contact information there. So likewise, we can actually add new contacts using the same method as well, instead of just editing existing ones. So say we want to add a new contact for the account that we added earlier. We can do that by just typing in a name here. And then we can also give our new contact some contact information as well. Okay, and then now that we have some contact information, we can select that new account that we put in earlier. And then we'll just hit our Update Add Contact button again. That has now added him to the device, so we should be able to see him in this list up here. If we search towards the end of the list. And then just to get him over to Salesforce, what we could do is we could just hit the Sync with Salesforce button again. And so now if we refresh this list here, we should see 20 contacts as opposed to 19. And here is our new contact here with our new account. And all of this was synced directly from the device, where we used that TracerPlus Connect tool to sync to the Salesforce login here. That pretty much sums up the demo for today. As always, if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@tracerplus.com.